Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Jeep Cherokee when the keys are inside. Modern vehicles, like your Jeep, have advanced security systems that make traditional DIY methods, such as using a coat hanger, largely ineffective and potentially damaging. Trying to force entry can harm your door seals, paint, or even the electrical components. The most reliable and safest approach is to seek professional help to avoid costly repairs and ensure your vehicle remains secure. When you find yourself locked out, your first step should be to contact a professional. If you have a roadside assistance plan through your insurance or a membership like AAA, give them a call. They can dispatch a technician to your location quickly. Alternatively, search for a reputable automotive locksmith in your area. Be sure to provide them with your exact location and details about your Jeep Cherokee, including its year and color, to help them arrive prepared. Once the professional arrives, they will use specialized tools designed to safely open your vehicle without causing any damage. These tools are specifically made for modern car locks and avoid the risks associated with improvised methods. The process is usually very quick, often taking only a few minutes to get your door open. For security, be prepared to show proof of ownership, such as your driver's license and vehicle registration, before they proceed. To prevent future lockouts, consider keeping a spare key in a safe, accessible place, perhaps with a trusted friend or family member. Many newer vehicles also offer remote access services through a smartphone app, which can unlock your doors from anywhere. This can be a lifesaver if you frequently misplace your keys. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.